Hello and welcome to Our Home Tech. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can mine cryptocurrency genuinely by browsing or switching your browser or using a browser while you're browsing your daily browsing, that you can still earn cryptocurrency. Stay tuned. So welcome back to this video. So in this video, we're going to use a browser called Brave Browser. So this browser, while you using the browsing, this blocks all the advertisements and this gives you a chance to earn some cryptocurrencies. Let's have a look without further ado. So what you have to do is you need to go and download brave.com, and this is the Brave browser. It's talking about how it can block all the ads and you can give you a faster browsing. They're claiming 3 times faster than Chrome. So basically just go down and download it. So I have already downloaded it now. So this is how it looks like. So once it's turned on, so this is how it looks like. So what you need to do is once it's installed, it's open, just click go. So you can import your bookmarks or everything if you're using any other browsers, Edge or Internet Explorer, Firefox, anything. If it's not, just click next. So what you can do, click next again. You can search your default search engine as well, Yahoo, Google. So I like Google, set as default. Then enable rewards. This is where you need to enable by rewards. You can attention valuable. So while enabling this ones, what happens is this shows you some ads. You can preference within an hour how many ads you can enable it. Then you watch the ads. They give you, from the advertisers, they give you a cryptocurrency. So they call it as a cryptocurrency. So basically just enable rewards. So this is going to open up another rewarded. So you need to click yes, I am in. So basically, by reviewing privacy ads, pay for that for your support for content creators you love also. So basically, how you can see why you Brave Rewards is all about. It's talking about it, so you can just feel free to read it. Then click I'm in. Creating a wallet. Now this is creating a wallet. After you've done that, this is going to create a wallet within your browser. So every time you earn, that's going to it's gonna give you a BAT. It's a cryptocurrency called BAT. You can earn every time you browse it. You can earn it as well. So now here, what you can do, there are many options. The only things I would recommend you to turn off auto contribute. If you turn that off, basically what's going to happen is every time a portion of your earning will go to the content creators. If you feel generous, feel free to turn it on. But I would say I will turn that off. So basically, you can add settings. Go to add setting, next one in here. Click on add settings, then you can choose maximum number of ads display per hour. So I'm going to put maximum 5 hours. So basically, it's not guaranteed, but it can give you solid understanding how this browser goes, because for the time being it's not it's not turned on. So this is going to give you monthly cycle contribution. You can turn the date on. So just I'll leave it as it on. So now every time you watch an ad, this is going to update your wallet. So every time you click on this is going to go to this wallet, so you can see. So once you verify, you need to verify your wallet as well to exchange or send your money, but at the minute you can't. When you click, so now it says you need to at least have 25 BAT to create this wallet. So once you get 25 wallet, then you can go and create it. Now it's going to give you a create button. If you already have this wallet already, Uphold account, you already have, this is going to create an Uphold wallet. So if you already have an Uphold wallet, you can go and log in. This is going to take you to the Uphold wallet page, where if you have an account already, you can log in there. But if you don't, you need to wait until 25 browser. So just go ahead and just normally just go and browse. Is going to show you how many. So for example, let me go to www.bbc.co.uk. So it's loads pretty fast as well, so which is quite good. So you can see when you click on this line kind of thing, it's going to show you how many ads is blocked already, which is very good. So yeah, so once you browsing it, it will give you a small pop-up notification down here if you have an ads or anything. So just click on that ad. So basically that will take you to the ad. Then you will get your wallet will get topped up every time. So basically, yeah. So I'm just gonna browse it. So just browse it as normal. So make it your daily browser, because we are spending so much time browsing, using internet, but we don't get paid anything. So this is another way of getting the cryptocurrency, free cryptocurrency, legitimate free cryptocurrency. Hope this video is very helpful. If you like this video, please press the thumbs up button and also like the button and share this video. I'd like to see another video. Thanks for watching.